Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Plug the Apple Watch onto a known good charger and make sure the magnetic puck is centered against the back. If nothing appears, swap the cable or adapter to eliminate a faulty charger. Once done, try a different wall outlet or a powered USB port. Chargers can fail silently. While it charges, inspect the watch back and charger for debris or corrosion that can block contact. Cleaning gently with a dry cloth may restore connection. If charging shows no result, perform a force restart by holding the digital crown and side button together for about 10 to 15 seconds until the Apple logo appears. This clears a frozen OS without wiping data. You want to watch for the charging symbol, logo, or a vibration. Those confirm hardware is alive. If still dead, leave the watch on the charger for 30 minutes and then repeat the force restart. Some units need battery recovery time before responding. If the watch remains off after force restarts and known good chargers, swap to an official or Apple-certified cable and charger to rule out compatibility. Make sure the watch firmware hasn't been interrupted by recent updates. If you can access recovery options, follow on-screen prompts. If nothing works, contact Apple support or schedule a Genius Bar visit. Technicians can run diagnostics, test the battery, and determine if a battery replacement or logic board repair is required.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.